How to share Crunchyroll account. So if you want to share Crunchyroll account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your application, or you can also go with your browser. Now to share your account, you need to have a subscription. So you just need simply go with your browser and then just compare all the plans, or you can just simply tap on plans and you'll have the information. Like as you can see that here you will have fan premium, which is just available to stream on one device at a time, and the next you have mega fan, which is you can stream on up to 4 devices at a time. You'll have offline viewing, you will have access Crunchyroll game vault, a catalog of free games. Next one is mega fan annual. You can stream up to 4 devices at the same time. So in order to share your Crunchyroll account to different devices or different members, then you need to take mega fan or the mega fan annual plan, which is basically the same. Mega fan is for a month and this is for annual. So you can go and take fan or mega fan, any one of these. But in order to share your Crunchyroll account, you need to go with mega fan, which is best suitable for you. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.